Birth.
Oh, bro. Help me. That's a little late on the watch out, watch out, watch out. Hey.
Just slide back towards the closet.
Push it this way, dude.
A little bit more.
Walk.
This is
We should have enough room now.
This
There
is-
we go.
Casey's given birth.
Yep.
They've been in labor for a couple hours, pushing, pulling.
Yep.
You want to just undo it like the bottom two and just lift the flag up?
There's only one.
Oh, there's only one? Okay. I thought there was one on that side.
Stick it in the thing right there. It's fine. It's not near you. You don't move
Or
it.
just drape it over the top.
Just so that we can do that without ripping
I'm
something.
scooting it back, dude.
I don't know, I was just...
Then I'm gonna lay it down. Okay.
Cool beans.
Let's go this way. Watch that back part. I don't want to get my feet. So if I'm going to,
So when you get about
stop me ahead.
another foot down, the wheels will engage. So you should be able to kind of roll it towards him at that point. Probably right in there. Should be able to get wheels.
Okay, you gotta go that way a little bit, Jordan.
There you go. Ooh, dude. Dude, this fits like tight, but it's there.
Oh yeah.